Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW i4 in Forza Horizon 5. The most reliable and consistent way to add this electric vehicle to your garage is through the in-game auction house. While it has appeared in past festival playlists, those are time-limited events. The auction house provides a constant opportunity to purchase this sought-after car from other players, ensuring you can get it whenever you're ready to buy. To begin, navigate to any festival site or your house on the map and select the auction house. From there, you can search for the BMW i4 eDrive 40. Filter by manufacturer to quickly locate available listings. You'll see options to place a bid on an ongoing auction or use the buyout feature for an immediate purchase. Be sure to check multiple listings for the best deal. When using the auction house, patience is key. Listings refresh constantly, so check back often for new cars and potentially lower prices. Always compare the current bids and buyout prices across several listings to ensure you are getting a fair deal. The BMW i4 can sometimes fetch over 1 million credits, so make sure you have enough in-game currency saved up before you start bidding. While the auction house is your most consistent option, the BMW i4 has previously been a reward in the festival playlist for earning 20 points during specific seasonal events. These events are temporary, so if you missed it, the auction house is your best bet. Additionally, the backstage shop occasionally features previously exclusive cars, which could include the i4 in the future, but this is also not a guaranteed method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.